So today we are going to take the poem Leisure written by W.H. Davis, that is William Henry Davis. So leisure means free time or a free time which we spend in our own activity that we like. So here let me know that what you all do or what you all like to do in your leisure time in the comment section below. So let us go to the poem. So we'll just discuss the poem in the two lines as it is there combined. So what is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. So here the poet is pretty much worried that what a life we are living where we don't have any free time to just stand and look at the beauty of the nature. So here the word meaning is me. Here the poet is saying that he's very much worried that if life is full of tensions, what will it life be? What a life we are leading. Here the word meaning of full of care means full of worries, and stand and stare means to stand and look around. Here it is mentioned the nature, it is saying about nature. So stand and look around the nature. Next sentence, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. So here the poet is saying that we don't have even any free time to stand under the tree and enjoy the shade like animals being in the field looking here and there and then enjoying the nature without any hurry, and they are enjoying their life through nature. They are finding happiness through nature. That is what the poet is saying in these two lines. Here the meaning are beneath means under, and the boughs means the branches of the tree. And next we go to the next two lines. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in the grass. So here the poet is saying that when we are traveling we might pass through a forest, but when we are going through the forest also, we don't have even small time or a few minutes to wait there and then feel the beauty of the nature. And even we don't have time to see how these squirrels are running here and there and then hiding their nuts in the grass. That is what the poet is saying in the fifth and the sixth line. The next line is no time to turn at the beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. So here the poet compares the nature to the beautiful girl, and the poet says that we don't even have time to see how her feet are moving in the dance. So that is what here the poet says. Here the word meanings are beauty means here it compares, it is saying that loveliness, then personified as a beautiful lady. It is personified to a beautiful lady whose glance means a quick look, who is dancing in the field. So let us look the next two lines. That is a very important and very easy line. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So here the poet says that the beautiful girl expresses her happiness through her eyes, but we don't even have a time to wait and just see this happiness become a smile on her face. That is what here it says. And now let us look the last two lines. A poor life this if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. So here the poet feels sad that what a poor life that we are living here. We have no time to spend among the nature and enjoy the nature. We are just living our daily lives through our daily routine work, and we are not able to enjoy or make happiness to others or give happiness to others. We are just not able to enjoy the boundaries of the nature. So from here we are just stopping the poem. It is over. It is a small short poem which gives a lot of thoughts. So I think you all will spend time in enriching the nature's beauty. And that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.